Good evening, everyone. I am Rachita Sharma,
And I'm Aarti Sharma.
and we are honored to present our poster, The Geriatric Dental Dilemma, addressing the facial and the dental changes. Now that we have introduced ourselves, let's explore the fascinating world of the geriatric population.
So, what is geriatric dentistry? Geriatric dentistry is a branch of medicine which delivers the dental care to older adults involving the diagnosis, prevention, and the treatment of the problems associated with the normal aging and the age-related disorders. As we age, our face and the teeth undergoes significant changes that impact our oral health, aesthetics, and the overall quality of life.
This poster will delve into the key facial and dental changes associated with aging, their implications, and the considerations for the geriatric dentistry. By understanding these changes, we can provide a better care for our patients and improve their overall well being.
Now, let's move on the facial changes. As we age, our face undergoes noticeable changes like the bone resorption, soft tissue sagging, wrinkling, muscle mass loss, fat redistribution, decrease in the skin elasticity, and the nasolabial fold deepening, which affect the facial aesthetics and the oral function.
Teeth also undergo significant changes. So there are some dental changes like the tooth wear, periodontal disease, tooth loss, gum recession, xerostomia, etc.
There are some serious clinical implications associated with these changes, like difficulty with dental retention, increased risk of aspiration pneumonia, changes in the speech and swallowing, changes in the bite and occlusion, impact of nutrition, etc.
For these clinical implications, there are some treatment options available which include the dental implants, removable partial dentures, facial rejuvenation. So to diagnose and treat these changes, it is necessary for the dental professionals to have comprehensive knowledge about all the facial and dental changes associated with the geriatric dentistry.
With these words, we only want to mention that age is just a number. A healthy smile is timeless. Thank you everyone for your kind attention and have a nice day.